Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You see, this is one of the previous video, the last video I dropped. This is the outcome of the results of this channel. You see that I told you guys that this will be your entry point. This area is going to be your entry point. You see that, and you are going to be taking out your profit anytime you are having your green on the what, on the 25 level, on your blue line on your 25 level. You see it's already complete at this level, but you can also wait till you wait for your black entry to what, to cross over the blue and the black line. You see the black line is going to cross over the green line. You can also wait for that level, so before you close your entry. You see that is the result. But today, in today's video, we are going to be sharing more light on boom 500. I'm going to show you how this also boom 500. You see that on boom 500. So let me show you exactly how what is happened. This is boom 500 on 1 minute time frame. This is boom 1000. So I'm going to show you the reason why I entered this particular trade. You see, at this level now, I told you guys that anytime we are having our red line that is moving above our 75 level, and we are also checking out our black line that is on above 75 level. They are going to be crossing each other. The black line and the red line are going to be crossing each other. So immediately they cross each other, then this will be your best time to enter your market. You see, even in this chart now, I enter late, but I still know that this particular market is going to respect a downtrend. You see that. So what I'm going to be waiting for now before I close the entry, your take profit one is already complete, which is when you have your green line at your 25 level. But I'm going to wait for my take profit two, which is going to be when my black line here, which you are having here, is going to cross above the what, above the green, above the blue line. So anytime it's crossing above the blue line, so that is exactly the right time for me to take my take profit two. So you see, my take profit one I've already complete, so I'm going to close it on take profit two, so that you guys can see how this strategy really works. So another confirmation from this strategy is this. I told you guys that the two are going to move above the 75 level at this area, which is the black line and the red line here. They are going to be crossing each other on the 75 or above the 75 level. So once it crosses each other, then your take profit, your entry will be found around here, and your take profit is going to be when your take profit one is going to be when your blue line reach your 25 level, which is going to find it around this area. And your take profit two is going to be when the black line is crossing below the what, the blue line. You see that. So this will be your what, take profit two area before the little spike that you see there. So that is one of the best thing that you can do. And also, if we check this one very well, the same thing happened here. You see, I told you guys that we always have our red line and our black line. They are going to be crossing each other above the 75 level or on the 75 level. What you just need to do is to always target this your 75 level. You see, once it cross it at this particular area, you see that this will be your best time to find your entry. And don't forget to set up your what, your stop loss, which is going to be your last spike area that you see from here. So that will be your what, your stop loss. You set your stop loss around there, and your entry is going to be around there. So you keep on taking the profit until you have your take profit one, which is the blue around your 25 level. You see around this area. And that's the same thing also happened, that the black line is what, is crossing below at this area. You see, it's crossing below at this area, which is going to be our take profit too around this area. You see, spike do happen, but it's going to respect that level for your more profit on it. You see that. So you see, same thing also happen here. You see, the same thing happen here. The black line and the red line, they cross each other at this level, which will help you to find a best entry for yourself. You see, you are going to enter this particular trade around this area. You see that around this area, don't forget that. So your take profit are going to be around there, and you are going to be taking your first TP. Your first TP is going to find around there when your blue line reach your what, reach your 25 level. And your second profit, your second take profit is going to be when your black 9 cross above, below the what, the blue 9, which is around here. You see that around this area is going to be your take profit too. So guys, that's exactly what I do. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. We have the main chart, which is the moving average of 150. We have the exponential, we have the apply to close. Just screenshot it. I don't want this video to be too long. Then you press undo. Then we have our relative strength index. We have the period of 6, we have apply to close, we have black here, we have the 2 level 25 and 75 here. Then you press undo. We have this moving average also. Inside that indicator window 1, we have the period of 13, we have the exponential, we have the apply to close, and we have red as our color here. Then you press undo. Then we have the average to range, which is the period of 14. We have the style to be blue, and then you press undo. You see, you will have the same chart the way I have it here on the chart. You see, this is exactly what I told you guys. I said the market is still going to respect that level until we have the same. You see, the two are getting closer now, and this is the right time for me to close the trade, because I've already made enough trade up to 10 to 15 candlestick with this strategy. So guys, if you are checking this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we draw another wonderful, powerful strategy on for you guys. And also you can also subscribe to this channel. You can also check out for our mentorship plan on our Telegram, is in the description of this video. So you can also reach us for mentorship and for guys, and also for more training on boom and crash index. We are always available for you guys. So and also you can comment on this video, share this video to friends and family which are more interested in watching this and trading successfully. So thanks.